what time it is?
What time is it?
What time is it? Ooh,
Whoa, it's cocktail time.
cocktail
Better get
time.
going.
All right.
How could I forget cocktail time? Today's Saturday too. I don't usually forget cocktail time on a Saturday.
Never.
Never. Anyhow, I'm here. I am here. And I got a couple of things to say. When I give a shout out, I want you guys to make sure that you catch on with the shout outs. Go on, watch their videos, and if you get a chance, subscribe. All us YouTubers have to stick together. So please, my first one is Man Kitchen Recipes. It's all one word, Man Kitchen Recipes. It's not Man Kitchen Recipe. One word, Man Kitchen Recipes. And Maple Cook. They're cool. Maple Cook is cool. And your drinking buddy. He's my drinking buddy too, but he's your drinking buddy also. Your drinking buddy. And I'm going to give you guys some trivia today. The first speeding ticket that was ever given, a citation that was ever given for speeding, was to a man named Walter Arnold. He was in Kent, England. And he was chased down by an officer on his bicycle. The guy was driving 8 miles an hour, and the legal speed limit for horseless carriages back in January 1896 was 2 miles per hour. So if you had a horseless carriage, you could only go. He had a Benz. This guy was driving a Benz, and he got a speeding ticket for 8 miles per hour. You know, Benzes go faster than that. He could have outran the cop on the bicycle. And pineapple is a meat tenderizer. So just lay some pineapple on your meat and it will tenderize your meat. In case you didn't know that, maybe you didn't know that. And one other thing I got to tell you, copper doorknobs. Did you know copper doorknobs are self-disinfecting? So that means you can touch the doorknob and the guy behind you ain't going to get COVID because you touched the doorknob. Today I'm going to make a drink. It's called a Spectacular. And that's what it is. It's a spectacular drink, and it's got some booze in it. So there you go. Let's get ready to make the Spectacular. Okay. Here we go. First of all, I'm gonna use the measuring cup here. I got 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. I squeezed the cranberries too. No, not really. I tell stories. Did you know that?
I knew that.
I do tell stories.
Yep, lots of them. And not just once in a while, every day.
I'm a storyteller. I tell stories.
Every day.
1.5. Whoop, that was 1 ounce of gin. In case you missed it, 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of vodka. Hope you didn't miss the vodka. I don't miss vodka. I gotta get more of these things on my bottles. 1 ounce of rum. I got these measuring things. I never use them. I got a whole bag of them at Hospitality Supply here in Fort Collins, Colorado.
Thanks.
1 ounce of Blackberry Brandy, and it's owned by Chris.
Yes. Thank you, Chris and Rick.
Blackberry Brandy. Blackberry Brandy. And we're going to shake for a second because shaking is good for something. There's a whole lot of shaking going on. Shake, rattle, roll. Everybody shake, shake, shake. And there's a Tony mug from Nikki in Georgia. And that look good, or does that look good?
Looks good.
That looks good.
Looks pretty.
And we're going to top it off with some Prosecco.
Oh no, garnish?
Wait a minute, don't say but garnish. Don't say garnish.
Okay.
There's a gorilla.
Ooh.
And there's a gorilla for garnish.
King
You see
Kong. King Kong.
Yeah, Mighty Joe Young.
Yep.
I'm gonna taste my drink. That drink is spectacular. That is spectacular. That's a spectacular drink, and it's a spectacular size. Will you just look at it? Will you just look at it? Please. That is spectacular. Anyhow, this is Cocktail Tony. Say hello to your mama. Get yourself a vaccination. Don't get Delta. Don't get the Delta. And if you fly on the plane, be nice and courteous to our friendly flight attendants. My grandson is going to be a flight attendant. So be kind and courteous. They don't need any drunk alcoholic's grief or somebody who don't wear a mask. Do what you're supposed to do. Be kind to everybody. Cocktail Tony, over and out.